Hi, everyone. So I get this question asked a lot. How often should I roll? Well, that actually depends, and I'm going to break it down for you. So first, if you're healthy and you're using YBR for fitness to feel better and just unwind the tension from your day, then you can roll literally every day. I like to do a little longer session, say around 1 hour, 3 to 4 times a week, then fill in with shorter sessions like 15 to 30 minutes when I can fit that in between. That seems to work for me. One area that I do think that you would benefit from doing a little bit every day is your feet, because the feet have like incredible benefit for your whole body because they're the foundation of our entire being. So 10 to 15 minutes daily gives you so many benefits. YBR foot fitness exercises lift your posture, stimulate meridians, and boost circulation throughout your body. I can't tell you, there's just like so many benefits just from doing your feet. And you can do those seated. You don't even have to do them standing. So now let's break down the majority of people that use YBR. They have aches and pains, they're rehabbing from an injury, or they're trying to feel better as they age. So in this case, this is where it becomes very subjective, depending on the quality of your tissues and your bones. The way to say this is that everybody's a little different depending on their history and their body. For some, a little bit of rolling goes a long way, and others have to modify the exercises. But hey, that's the beauty of YBR. It is extremely adaptable. So you can do it very passively, even in bed, or, it's adaptable to your fitness and your stamina. So this is where the 30-minute sessions may be enough for someone that, has a lot of issues going on in their body. For some, I always say, listen to your body. If you feel great and you're not too sore, then add time to that time frame. You could do a longer 30-minute session and then maybe fill in with a couple shorter sessions, and of course do more passive stuff on a daily basis. I also like finding exercises that you can do well and do it in good form. Use a second ball or a wall when you need, and most importantly, breathe. That's 50%. 50% is the ball, 50% is breathing to where that ball is. I'd follow the same advice of doing 3 to 4 times a week with a day off in between, whatever that time frame is that works for your body. If you have serious issues, please get advice from your doctor or your doctor's approval, before taking on any kind of exercise program. And whenever possible, if you're lucky enough to have a YBR practitioner in your area, that's going to give you your best result. They can put you on the path of a good system to follow. And a lot of that can be done virtually. So one final thing I'd like to remind everyone too is that when you're working on an area, let's just say your lower back hurts. In YBR, we problem solve some issues by balancing the whole area. So if your low back is tight, that would mean rolling your abdomen, your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, so that you release in 360-degree, visual, and create space at every angle to become pain-free. My final thought is this: be patient, breathe, and listen to the messages of tightness and tension your body's showing you. You have the balls to revive your own discomfort and feel like you again. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. Any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to answer anything that you may have in regard to YBR. Thanks for watching.